Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. So today I'm playing with chicken salad. It's actually a chicken pasta Southwest version salad, okay? So I've got some chicken already cooked up. I went ahead and boiled up some chicken tenders, 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how big your pieces are. I just diced it up, or you can shred it. You want small bite-sized or smaller pieces. Then I've got some beans, some ranch-style beans, or you can do any kind of like a red bean, whatever you got. That's what playing with food is all about. Use what you have in the kitchen. Then I've got some little mini ziti's. They're super cute. I like how small they are because sometimes pasta can get so big that all you eat is pasta and all your goodness is on the bottom, all your extra bits. So not with this. Got a little bit red pepper. Pretty much what I'm doing here is I'm making like a pasta salad, a taco pasta salad with some beans, some green onions, a little bit of cilantro or parsley, chopped up. Fresh herbs go a long way. Got some grated cheddar, olives, and then what I have is I've got a little ranch that I can add in there. It's going to act as our glue here. There we go. And then I've got a little bit of taco seasoning. It's got paprika, cumin, some of those red spices, ancho chili pepper, a mild taco seasoning. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that in there. That kind of just really pulls it all together and makes it a Southwest flavor. Sometimes it's like you think you're afraid to add flavor. Hey, if it all goes together on a normal day, like taco seasoning and taco spices or taco herbs, things that you would eat in a taco, put it in your salad. So this is going to make like a 1 or 2 person serving. And there you go. A Southwest chicken salad with pasta. Thank you for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.